You may want to unlink your credit card from your Amazon account, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete credit card from Amazon. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just head on straight to the Amazon app on your phone, and from here, let's click on this profile icon or this person icon right beside the home icon, and click on your account. Click on that. And from here, let's scroll down a bit and find the payment section. So what we're going to click from here is your payment. So tap on that and wait for the page to load. And you should be able to immediately see your cards and accounts from here. So make sure that you are at the wallet tab as well. So once you are here, just click on this icon right here if you have your card linked. And you should be able to see the card details. And so in line with that is the edit option. So click on edit and scroll down a bit and you should be able to see the remove from wallet option. So tap on that and wait for it to load and just click on remove once again. And it should say that your payment method has been removed successfully. So that is how you can basically delete credit card from Amazon. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.